from the Industry of Things World in Berlin. It's my pleasure to be here this morning with Keith Shea from Wind River, one of our primary partners at the event. Welcome to the conference and thank you very much for participating in an interview.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to ask you if you could briefly introduce yourself and your professional background.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Keith Shea, and I work for Wind River, an Intel subsidiary company, and I'm the general manager of IoT solutions business.
Please give me a quick insight into your presentation with the topic unlocking true business potential with IoT.
Everybody would agree, anybody who's here or anybody who's looking at IoT, that the opportunity is going to be enormous. The growth rates of devices being connected into the cloud in an IoT construct, all of those numbers are huge. But how do we capture value from that? And then how do we unlock the true business potential? So what I discussed yesterday in my presentation was how do we go from connecting devices to realizing the benefit of having those devices connected, and really that materializes through enhanced analytics, turning data into insights and manageability from those connections.
What are some of the main solutions that Wind River offers to the end users in the industrial IoT and manufacturing space?
Yeah, it's a good question because I think it starts by optimizing for your existing infrastructure, and when you connect your devices into an IoT cloud, it allows you to really improve your profitability on the bottom line, and you can do things like better predictive maintenance, ensure greater uptime for your deployed equipment. That's where we start with optimization, and then as we evolve, we're looking for true business transformation. And that's when, with implementation of IoT, we can start to put in new solutions, new business models that will help companies grow their top line as well.
Based on your experience, which industries have been affected the most by Industry 4.0 and its new technologies?
Well, I think when you take traditional operational technology, so electrical, mechanical equipment, such as the robotics in assembly, in factories, or even farming equipment. You take the operational technology and then you blend that with the power of information technology. It's the OT-IT conversion, as we call it. Mm-hmm. We're seeing industries that employ heavy equipment, heavy machinery, benefiting from enterprise class IT capabilities as the sectors that benefit most immediately from IoT. Adding to that, really anybody who has a field service requirement for their equipment, where their technicians, reside in one central location, but then their equipment is distributed out in many locations. Mm-hmm. IoT immediately benefits companies like that.
How do you see the next 5 years evolving? What will be the main trends and which biggest changes are we going to see?
I think right now we're in an era when we're connecting the unconnected, and that's happening. We're seeing lots of people connect devices that historically were not connected. So I think that's now, that's immediately. And then within the next couple of years, we're going to start to see greater intelligence develop from those connections. We're going to see data that's gathered turned into insights. And then I think that'll evolve within the 5-year time frame, where we're going to see true software-defined autonomous systems that are going to be able to autonomously interact with one another. There's going to be decision-making technology through machine learning and artificial intelligence that's going to greatly enhance the way that we live, the way that we work, the way that we interact with each other. And the thing that everybody's talking about is autonomous driving. I think that's one of the things that we'll see emerge. Maybe not quite in 5 years, but before that we'll see autonomous machine interaction. And I think that is less than 5 years away.
Thank you again for the valuable insights and for joining us here today. And what do you think of the Industry of Things World event so far? What expectations do you have regarding the Industry of Things World 2017?
Well, 2017, this is my second one. I've attended both the San Diego event and this event. And just in the 6 months since I attended in San Diego, I've seen the number of solutions that are becoming available and the adoption rate start to dramatically increase over the course of this year. I expect that pace to continue into 2018, and I'm really encouraged by the depth and the breadth of the solutions available from all the partners who are here, and it really is going to take a community, an ecosystem, to help us all push forward and realize the benefit. So I look forward to coming back next year and the year after, and for the foreseeable future.
Thank you very much for joining me here today.
Thank you.